What's up, guys? Just want to do a quick video. This video is about trailer maintenance. I just noticed when I was hooking up the trailer to my truck, get out of the shadow here, there was a little bit of sloppiness. Seemed like more than usual, and you see that bottom bolt, it's doing quite a bit of jiggling. So I'm going to grab 2 wrenches, take that bolt off. I have a feeling maybe it's worn out and the bolt got a little smaller, and it just needs to be replaced. Hopefully it's not like one of these holes got elongated. So this will be we'll see what's going on with it together. Holy, would you look at that? Are you freaking kidding me? Wow, I wasn't expecting that. Well, there you go. That's why you got to look at stuff, pay attention to things. You can see that, look at the rust. So I guess it's been broken through for a while, and it was just holding on by that little bit of metal in there. Huh. All right, let me see if I have another bolt. All right, don't mind the garage. It is a bit of a mess. I mean, I just straightened it up a little bit. I figured as long as there's a walking path in the middle, it's good. I always wanted to have a nice big clean shop, but it hasn't happened yet. What I'm looking for is a grade 8 bolt. Oh, look at that. That one looks like it might fit. What else do I have? Usually, I've done a lot of different types of work over the years. As you can see, I got all these random metal brackets and stuff, and I save everything. Got buckets and buckets of bolts, and it's for situations like this, so I don't have to run out to the hardware store and go get something. Yeah, I think this is gonna have to be it. Let's see if it'll fit. Oh, that's the one right there. We're gonna have enough? Yeah, I'll have enough. I can't believe that bolt just snapped like that. Goes to show you, you see something looking a little off. I should probably go grab a real wrench, not this little Toys R Us adjustable, but hey. That's tight. There you go, guys. Yeah, see, I always knew I had a little bit of play, but that was way too much play, so that's why I checked that bolt. Here it is. Can't believe that. And this one has black paint on it, so that was an original one. It's what's this trailer, 2017, so 5 years. So it's probably a good idea to replace your trailer coupling bolts maybe every 3 or 4 years, so you don't have a situation like this